Hello everyone and welcome to our 7th DevBlog. I know I said the 6th one would be the last one, but then I realized I forgot to implement a bunch of important things like levels and crafting armor and leveling armor and the HUD. So I kinda made another video. You can see everything looks a bit smoother. There's some new things up here, and that is because I finally, after my full year of working with Unity, decided to upgrade it from the 2022 version. I don't know why I kept the old editor. I just got lazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive in and show you all that I've done. When I updated everything, I basically depleted my 17 gigabytes of remaining space to 0. So it's gonna be a bit slow, but bear with me. I'll free up some space so I can add better UI once I get to it. But what I've added is, of course, you heard me, oh my goodness, you heard me say levels, armor, crafting armor, leveling armor. I've added upgrading armor, I've added the HUD, and I've added prioritization, which is what the game allows you to do or not do based on where your units are. I'm gonna go ahead and go in that order. So first we're gonna talk about levels. So I'm gonna go ahead and ignore the fact that all of the font is white. Whenever I reinstalled the editor, I had to reinstall the text in TMP Pro, which is what the package is called. It's basically just fancy text, and the default for that is white text, so that's why everything looks like that. But I made two foodies, and you can see they have level 1. Oh, I also added power. You have power calculations, and how that works, it's in a bunch of different scripts, so I'm not going to bother finding it. But each different food group of foodies has things they prioritize when calculating power. So crit damage, attack are the highest for proteins. For like vegetables, who are more for defense buffers and stuff like that, they'll prioritize health, defense, speed, etc. But anyways, we have our levels, and I'm pretty sure I gave myself, they're called power balls. It's what we use to level them up. Yeah, but you can now increase the foodie level, and you can see that increased its stats. I'm gonna go ahead and increase it to show y'all. But oh, this is the barracks. This is where you see your foodies. You see how many foodies you have. I haven't implemented that, as you can see by the new text. But also there will be a cute little like animation happening back here of all the foodies in their respective bunk beds. But anyways, we have this is similar to what the battle panel is in the battles, but as you can see, I leveled things up. Now, I'm gonna keep those there, and we're gonna go ahead and head over to the store and buy some armor, because I wanna show y'all something. I'm gonna go to level, and you can see here there's a level panel. It's not formatted correctly, but that's when I'm gonna work on the UI. You can go ahead and level up things. It will show you what the chances of it increasing are, and it's gonna slowly increase that. Now, I know it says 9.5 and 24.2 and stuff for this, but that's because I just realized I need to fix that. So I'll go ahead and fix that when I can. But you can see for the boots, the max level is 20. I'm gonna add iron reinforcements. There's different kinds of material. There's leveling and crafting material and upgrading material. I'm gonna go ahead and show you upgrading material just so I can show what it does. When you use an upgrading material, it will cost way more than just one. It upgrades the rarity of said thing. So now you can see that it's higher. It keeps the same level, it keeps the same current stats. Next thing I want to show y'all is crafting. Gonna do iron plates, and I'm pretty sure boots is 5. Yeah, so you can now craft things as well. I need to add a grid layout group to this one. Geez, whenever I think I'm done with something, it turns out I'm not. But that's the armor and such. Next, I'm gonna show y'all the player level and avatar. You can name yourself Banana. You can then go to, there's gonna be frames, special frames, avatar, etc. I don't know what, oh, okay, I'll fix that later, but it's not showing up right here. You have levels, and different things unlock at different levels. Currently, it says I'm at level 2, but that's because I was testing it and forgot to reset it. Next thing I wanted to talk about is prioritization. The reason I kept those two foodies is I want to show y'all what the game prioritizes when it comes to fusing and stuff. Now, if a foodie is doing something else, I'm gonna go ahead and use this as an example. You cannot or you should not be able to do that. Looks like I still need to work on that even though I spent all day working on that. It keeps the same level as before, it just increases the grade. And one more thing I added for the kitchen, first of all, I finally fixed the carousel or the endless scrolling thing. Finally, when we cook things, of course, it wouldn't make sense if the foodie is still alive after you denatured it. So I set its health to 0. So every time you cook a foodie, which if y'all didn't know, or if you don't remember, it increases the stats by 5%, the base stats. And that can be affected by level, so you want to do that when the foodie is max level. I honestly forgot where I was going with that, but I'm pretty sure y'all will use logic to figure that out yourself. But that's what I've worked on. Other than those few bugs y'all saw, the game is basically done, and I'll start working on UI. I'll add tutorials, I'll add settings, music, and other things. But for now, this is the game we got. Thank y'all for watching this video, and again, thank you for hanging in there and watching me mess up and go through all my struggles with me. It's been a great encouragement. I'll start making mini blogs because the rest of the things I need to do is just debugging. For real this time. Mini blogs that will show what the starting characters are. I won't show their cooked variants, but I will show what the starting 10 foodies will be and what you can do with them. But for now, that's the whole game. I will be releasing the demo on itch.io, and I will make a video whenever I do that. So make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that y'all will see when that happens and you can play it yourself. I believe I'll be able to figure out how to do account integration with itch.io because you can have an account on itch so that you can keep your progress, but I'm not guaranteeing you'll be able to keep your progress. I will let y'all know in that video when I make it whether or not you keep your progress though. Alright, I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? Bye bye!